Hello, welcome to InCab. Today we're going to introduce you to the Shimadzu Mobile DrArt Evolution. The mobile DrArt Evolution system comes with your wireless digital detector. Okay, to turn the mobile DrArt on, there's a switch here, it's power. You have your battery also. All you have to do is flip the switch and give it a moment to actually boot up, and we're ready to go. Now that the mobile DrArt has power, we can make the adjustments that we need for the x-ray. Do what? Rotate, put it into position for the patient and the procedure, and then if necessary also, by squeezing the handle here, we can move it back and forth to position it as well. Now to simply turn the DR on, all we have to do is hit the blue button here, wait a moment, and it'll load up. Now we're at a point to where we can make the adjustments needed for the patient and the collimator here. So we're going to go ahead and size our patient. Get it in line, and now we're ready to actually get the patient information and input into this. Here we have the individual patients that are on the network for whatever your system might be. These are actually people that you can share with other workstations as well. We go ahead and click this one here, and then we'll go down here to the corner, start exam. Now you can also input new patient information using manual. So you want to go ahead and click that there. And that'll take you to the information that's actually already input for this particular individual. And we go back. Now here it says that it is ready to begin. We've already got shoulder examination selected. So we're going to go down here. Now that the machine is ready, you see here it's in the ready mode, we can go ahead and take the image. Here's the hand switch. Now at first you're going to want to simply push to the first one till it's a solid green on the machine, and then push the rest of the way to take the image. And you can see the image present on the screen. Now from here, we can do a couple different things. From here, you can adjust your brightness and your contrast, of course, as you can see. Make it lighter and darker. You have different editing selections here. We can rotate it back, flip it, side to side, and back to the position. We can actually move it manually, or we can zoom in. We can move it here. You can also manually do it here instead of having to select the movement button, and then you can move it from here as well. Now from here, you can also do your measurements if you'd like. You have different measurements, angle, distance, whatever you need, and then your notations. And this allows you to select different kinds. Just simply hit new and you can adjust it over here, and then once we're done, you've got all the information you need. All you have to do is come down here to the end exam, and it's finished. Now that we're finished, you can actually always access the patient data here with the work list, and then or you can start a new patient with the manual input. Once we're ready, the procedure's been completed, we can shut down the DR system by pressing the button up here. And over here is the shutdown. Now keep in mind, this is shutting down the DR itself. Now once the DR is shut down, we don't want to turn the whole unit off because we're going to want to reposition it. We're going to reposition the mobile dart to where it's ready for the next patient before we shut it down completely. So we'll come over here, take it back to the off position here, bring it down. You'll hear it beep when it's in position, and then all you have to do to turn off the power is come over here. One thing about the batteries, keep in mind at fully charged, when it's ready to be charged, you want to not start charging it too high. You want to wait till it's first or second bar, so that way your battery life stays consistent. So keep that in mind when charging the machine itself. Now we're going to go ahead and power it down, and we're done. The DR is inside the protective case, so in order to power it off, what we're going to do is flip it to the back. Go ahead and pull it open here. And then as you can see, there's a power button here, and it is powered on by the blue button. When it's connected to the wireless part of the machine, it'll be green right here where it says link. That's how you know it's connected to the mobile dart. But then all you have to do to turn off the DR is simply hit the power button. Once the light's off, power is off, we can go ahead and put it back into the protector. Keep in mind this is very expensive, so you want to always keep it in the protector when it's not in use, or even when it's in use, unless you have some kind of procedure that's necessary. This is where we're going to store the detector for safekeeping here. All you have to do is set it in here. And whenever you need it, it's available with the machine itself, wherever you got to move it, wherever the patient may be or the procedure needs to be done.